So we got another harebrained idea. And while you're here, I could use your help. Okay. So when this kitchen was remodeled, for whatever reason, they have an outlet on the side, they have an outlet in the middle here, which is kind of useless. There's an outlet, a double right over here, which is also kind of useless. There's no outlet on that side. So we want to put an outlet in. And I was thinking about actually cutting a hole through the tile, but I changed my idea to make it easier. We're actually going to go through the side. Julie doesn't care, as long as there's an outlet. Got that? Mm-hmm.
Once upon a time, a boy met a girl working for a mouse. They fell in love and realized they'd never own their own home working for the mouse. So they packed up a big truck and moved to New Jersey, lived in a basement to save money for a year, and bought a foreclosure to fix up while they lived there. This is their story. All right, let me start with a little diorama here that shows you what we're looking at. All right, this is the two cabinets against the wall, and the stove is here, but I didn't draw the stove or the microwave. But here's the outlet behind the stove that exists now, and this is where I want to put the new outlet. Now, I opted not to drill through the tile because that would have made a mess. It's a lot easier to go through sheetrock, as you'll see in a moment. Now, on the other side of this wall is an unfinished shower where I've got the sheetrock up, but I can take it down just so I can run this wire. Now, if I remove the cabinets, and then I remove the inner walls, you can see where the magic happens. What I need to do is drill holes to get that wire from here through these studs and underneath, so that where this new box is going to go. Now the trick to doing that, because of the way the wall is constructed here, you can see there's 3 2x4s forming this corner, is that I'm not only going to drill in this direction, but to turn the corner I actually have to drill all the way through in this direction too. All right, let's get to it.
All right, now the stove is right on the other side of this wall here. In fact, there's a stove outlet down here, 110 outlet that I put in. So I'm gonna tap into that. I'm gonna take this sheetrock off and this sheetrock off. I'm gonna tap in and drill through. Now, for those of you who say, hey, I'm cheating, I've got a shower that's open. That's the way that I'm running this new outlet. Yeah, I'm making use of what I've got. Luckily, I didn't put any joint compound on yet, so that's the only reason I'm able to take this sheetrock down. Otherwise, it would be tiled, and I'd never be able to do this, and I'd have to do something from the basement. So, yeah, I'm taking advantage of the situation. And if you're trying to put an outlet in your kitchen right now, I apologize. It's not magic. You got to find a way to run the wire. So, I'm sorry if that's not much help. I'm going to do it right about the same height as this one, which is right about here. And I just got to make sure where my studs are. Got one there. Good. Nothing until the corner. So I can basically come out anywhere I want here. I'm going to say I'm going to come out about here. But I better get a level to make sure it's straight. All right. Whoa! I can't do that. That's a problem. All right, I'm going to try and be careful. Okay, I'd say that is straight. Good. Okay. Now I'll get my saw.
Great shot of your arm jiggling.
All right, here we go. Make a mess for Julie. Now I'm gonna measure. I know where the microwave is on the other side. So I'm about 8 inches down from the microwave. That'll determine how I drill. All right, right here is about the bottom of the microwave. So 8 inches below makes it right about here. So I just gotta take these 2 pieces off. Luckily, I haven't put any compound on yet. One. All right, that's 2. The other one is in the other side, which is not going to be easy to get to. But if I could do that, that would be so perfect. That's amazing. The outlet that I'm going to tie into is in the wall here behind this insulation. This is just for soundproofing, by the way. This is not an outside wall. And I drilled holes through here, and one through here, and one through here. So I'm going to fish it through into the kitchen if I can. Oh, by the way, I'm using 12 gauge wire because this is a 20 amp circuit. Okay, this is going to be tricky. You're going to have to go through the other side and see if you can pull it.
It's in there somewhere. Ow! Owie!
You hurt yourself?
My fingy.
Did you find it? Oh yeah, there it is.
I found it.
Power's off, by the way.
All right, it was really tight quarters behind this stove, so I didn't record the whole thing. But essentially, I took the outlet out. I fed the new wire in through the back of the box. And what I did is I had to join those 2 ground wires together with that green wire nut, special green wire nut. So one wire comes out and it got attached to the green screw. And the white wire got attached to the silver screw. So the whites are on the one side and the blacks are on the other. And then I pushed it back in and covered it up.
All right, we got to put our breaker back on. Microwave. There we go. All right, breaker's back on. We got power on the microwave and the stove. Now we got to check the outlet. And here we have 2 green, which means we've got a good ground and it's wired correctly. Done. Now we just need Julie to come and do the cleanup.
If you'd like to win one of several official Living Flip hats, complete with a HandyDadTV button, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below. Thanks.